Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about color contrast ratio checker feature. Figma has recently introduced this amazing feature in its right panel. The color contrast checker in Figma is a feature that helps designers ensure their designs are accessible by checking the contrast ratio between colors, especially when it comes to text and background. It helps to ensure designs meet accessibility standards like web content accessibility guidelines. So let's see what it is. Let's see, we have a button here. Select the button, and if we go at right hand side on this fill section, click on this. You can see here at the top right of this pop-up, here is an icon, check color contrast. This is disabled now. If I click on this, now we can check the color contrast, like there is a graph, and this is the color values. Figma Color Picker automatically detect the foreground and background colors of a selected element. Like I have selected this button. If we click on this, you can see foreground and background. Background is white right now, and foreground is this purple color. So it is showing here the ratio value, and this is the reference for standard color contrast standard, if we are meeting this or not. And if we click on this, it will show you here, like if we are selecting the text, it will automatically select the text, whether it is normal text or large text. And this is the level of the ratio we have to meet. Double A is selected for this button if we are selecting text. If you are doing this check for the text, then the triple A will also be enabled for us. Like you can see here, it is written this is only for text. So if you change the color of this button, right now it is meeting the standard. If we change the button color, like here, you can see this color with the background white, it is not meeting the standard. Here it is showing with this icon. We can drag this here or here or here, wherever you want. Then it is showing that it is meeting the standard. If you do not drag this manually, you can simply click on this double A, and it will go to nearest value where the standard made. And ratio is between this foreground and background, like this shade of purple and background white. Also, color contrast checker works with solid background only, neither with image background nor with gradient background. With this feature, you will get immediate feedback on whether contrast ratio passes or fails, and you easily adjust the colors to meet the required standard. If we go on this search bar, then let's click on the fill, and you can see here it is not meeting the standard. That's why this icon is visible here. So if we click on this, it will go down where it can meet the color contrast ratio standard. Like you can see, if you can think like text are not visible, but why it is showing this? Because we are checking the ratio with the background white and the search bar background color, which is purple. If you want to check for the text, click on this, and now we can see, if we select on this, it is showing that we are not following the standard because it is not properly visible. So if we click on this, you can see it has changed the text color so that we can properly see this. Same with this icon. Before this, we were using plugins like color contrast checker, accessibility checker, and many more to check the contrast ratio, but not anymore. We do not need any plugins for this. And yes, this is fine. If we go to this website and check for the accessibility, so select this heading, and if we go to fill, and you can see This is following the contrast standard. Let's select the AAA. Essential ratio for this is 3 is to 1 for the heading, and highest is 4.5 is to 1. So let's select this, and you can see here this is the ratio of text and background white, which is 4.54 is to 1, which is foreground and background. Let's bring this button here, and I want to check the contrast ratio now. Go to fill, and you can see it is clearly showing that if this is image background, this button is on image background, and that's why color contrast checker feature is not available for this. Let's see for this button. Yes, it is following the standard. Let's change the color. Now you can see it is not following, so we will click on this and it will go to the nearest color value where it can follow the standard. So I hope you have got the point what I was delivering. So that's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.